Hello? More plush. Remember this plush? So I got some new family. Very weird Saber. Look at this. She's so funny. Kawaii. Wait. Okay, and I also... Oh, cool music from Cowboy Bebop. Yeah. Look at this! Kawaii. Kawaii yo ne? Make them kiss and hold hands. Okay. First hold hands. Then kiss. Like this. And then... Oh no. Oh no. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Well, that's how you play with toys like these. Join now, I said. Join now. And then I'm gonna make some like stars. Kawaii. And then blink. 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 Earthquake, guys. Earthquake. Earthquake. Very strong. Oh. Oh.
Earthquake.
Oh my god.
Earthquake. Earthquake.
Guys, it's very strong one. Oh my fucking god, guys, you literally... Now outside is like huge sirens, and they're saying that maybe there's after this one is gonna be a huge next one. It was really strong. These kind of earthquake haven't been strong like for 2 years ago when I first time came to Japan. I remember there was this kind of a so scary. It was scary. Okay. Get ready! You're gonna see pictures, photos of real me. Cosplay arcade. Kind of funny. But anyway. Ta-da! Ta-da! It's me! Yo! Looks different, right? But oh well. Oh well. Yeah, I feel like this. Look at this person. This person doesn't look like otaku, right? And you know there was like a funny thing when cameraman was taking pictures. He saying like, "Oh, please make some like poses, like poses from Vogue magazine or some like other fashion magazine." And he was like saying like different magazine, and I'm like, I don't know. I don't know this magazine. I'm otaku. I need to say like, すいません。私 like I'm wearing this and I'm saying like すいません。私はオタクです。And they laughed so hard. They laughed so hard. I'm like 私はアニメがとかアニメが好きです。ゲームとか好き。And it's like, oh, I'm doing cosplay, and they're like, oh wow, okay. Okay, it's there, it's there, it's there, it's there, it's there. Look, look. Oh, oh my god. I buy now. Look, I'm buying. Oh my god. It's a lot of it's many dollars. Ma. Now, because by PayPal. So groovy. hard. It was so hard. Well, I got for what? For earthquake. Yeah, it's for today. Earthquake. Kawaii これ. Something crazy gonna come. Very crazy. I feel it. I really feel it. Get ready. Oh, not really. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.